So good day everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am your teacher Marielle, and for today I will discuss the tabular integration. This is the other way to integrate the function. So this time we can solve the problems using tabular integration. So first, evaluate integral of x raised to 2 times e raised to x times dx by tabular integration. So here we can make that u is equal to x raised to 2 and our dv will be e raised to x times dx. So first we can derive the x raised to 2. So the first derivation of x raised to 2 will be 2x. Then the second derivation will be 2. And then the third derivation will be 0 since this is constant. Next is the integral of e raised to x. So the integral of e raised to x will be e raised to x, and then the second integral of e raised to x will be the same, which is e raised to x. The third integral will be e raised to x also. So to get the answer of the first term, so we have to multiply the first line of the derivation, which is x squared, multiplied by the second line of the integral, which is e raised to x. So x raised to 2 times negative e raised to x will be x raised to 2 times e raised to x. Then negative 2x times e raised to x will be negative 2x e raised to x. Then positive 2 times positive 2 times e raised to x will be positive 2e raised to x plus c. Another example, evaluate the integral of x raised to 3 times sine x times dx. So our u here will be x raised to 3, and then the sine x will be our dv or integration. So first we need to derive the x raised to 3. So the first derivatives will be 3x raised to 2. Then the second derivatives will be 6x since 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 minus 1 will be 1, so we have 6x. Then the third derivation will be 6, and since this is constant, so the fourth derivation will be 0. And next we have the integral. So the integral of sine x will be negative cosine x. The integral of negative cosine x will be negative sine x, or the derivatives or integral of cosine x will be sine x. So since this is positive, so mahimo na po siya negative. Or since this is negative, mahimo na po siya negative. Then the integral of sine x will be negative cosine x. So since this is negative, so negative times negative, so mahimo siya positive. So we have positive cosine x. Next is the integral of cosine x will be sine x. So to get the answer, let multiply the first term of the differentiation into the second term of the integral, which is positive x raised to 3 times negative cosine x will be negative x squared times cosine x. Then negative 6 negative 3x squared times negative sine x. Sine x will be positive 3x raised to 2 times sine x, then positive 6x times cosine x will be 6x times cosine x, minus, since this is negative, so negative 6 times sine x, we have negative sine x plus c. So now it's your turn. Try to evaluate first integral of x raised to 3 times ln x times dx, then evaluate integral of e raised to x times cosine x times 3x dx, then evaluate the integral of the quantity x raised to 2 minus 5x times e raised to x times dx, then comment your answer on the comment section.